What's up everyone? So I was back down at the Pig and Heifer for another sandwich review. Every time I come here I'll aim to try a different sandwich. On this trip I went for a chicken and chorizo on a tomato infused roll with melted mozzarella, tomato and lettuce. This one came in at €9.25. I got it with a Dr Pepper. Very tasty, simple flavours that traditionally go very well together. I'm a big fan of the sandwiches here. There's nothing really to blow your mind with this one in particular. It's just good quality, good value chicken chorizo sandwich. Stay tuned for more as I'll probably be trying a different one soon.